Roush Performance has been around since 1996. We actually started as an engine shop, building racing engines. So really at our core, we are an extreme performance company, started in racing.
We develop vehicles for our customers, from Mustangs to F-150s that suit their lifestyle. We're a team of dreamers, doers, and enthusiasts that love what we do and live what we work on. Everything is special about a Roush vehicle. It's the feeling you get when you get behind the wheel, from the exterior appearance to the rumble you get when you push the start button. Roush has been using 3D printing since the early 2000s. The biggest benefit of 3D printing here at Roush is definitely the time savings. The time for development and taking the tooling or trial period down to a fraction of what it is in traditional methods is a huge benefit. On the F-150 project, we had a late design change that we had to pivot very quickly on. We had to reposition the front camera on the trucks, and in doing so, the solution that we came up with and thought, hey, we can mock this up and try it, actually ended up being our production solution for the program.
The reason we went with 3D printing is because of the time issue we had. We already had trucks in our facility to be built. We had product already there, all the grills. We leveraged our existing relationship with Stratasys, and that's where they introduced us to the SAF technology on the H350. The advantage to using this technology was we could get our prototype parts as well as some PPAP parts potentially in the same build, and that supports our production volumes.
We're able to take a 3 to 4 month project and get it down in about 8 weeks.
So it goes right on the front of the grill here. During sub-assembly, they were doing about 50 per week. Savings was not just with time, it was with money, because obviously we didn't have to pay to update any injection molding tools. The beauty with the SAF technology on the H350 is we can nest a lot of these components in the same build. This one is directly off the machine, so this is our raw component, and then it goes to our supplier and gets painted to match the rest of the grill and all the other trim. This was our first production part that was 3D printed. We used nylon 11 for this application because it had to be impact resistant as well as durable for different temperatures like hot weather, freezing temperatures.
We've done a lot of durability testing, and it's been able to handle everything we've been able to throw at it.
Working with Stratasys has been a great opportunity for us. Some of the benefits include getting around the tooling requirement of typical plastic parts, while also being able to have a quicker turnaround time as well.
The impact of using the SAF technology on the H350 was tremendous to Roush. We were able to greatly reduce our time to market by going with this manufacturing method.